What's up, big boss? What's up, guys? It's Anna. It's my friend.
No makeup.
He said sure. He said sure.
Sure what? Oh, sure that I don't do gravity. I don't.
Why are you recording?
For my YouTube channel.
I'm telling Mom.
You know about having a YouTube channel.
I am. My mom knows I have one.
Oh, yes.
You used to call me on your track phone. You mean?
Who has a chalkboard these days? My phone is Apple and your phone is cracked up.
Yeah, that's my phone right there. Cracked up piece of junk. Ew, I just stepped on one of our pickles. Ew. Like, really?
Hey, y'all.
My friend over there. We look at Fly today. Dottie and me and her did not look like Fly. We look like a mess. She just looks Fly right now because her hair's up.
I'm doing my hair.
She is. My hair naturally like this, wavy and curly.
But it's going to be straightened.
Yeah. Very soon later in my other video.
Nobody likes your hair when it's curly.
You do, right?
No, like, nobody likes, like, you don't like anybody looking at your That's
Yeah. Yeah, like,
But your hair is so pretty when it's not.
no, it's not.
But you need to brush it, girl. You got that hair.
No, it is, Charlotte.
Damn it.
Excuse her language. She's a bad little girl.
Well, my freaking thing broke. And that's one of the good ones, too.
Oh. The big one broke.
What?
The big one broke.
These big nuts.
I cannot let you be in one of my videos.
I know.
So disgraceful.
Hannah likes to read Monk.
No, I don't. She's just
So
long.
if you guys...
No!
So if you... Comment in the
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. Guys, don't do whatever she says. She's not in my video. Like, she's not the boss of the channel, so she doesn't know any description or whatever I gotta do. She's a liar.
I'm not lying. Hannah, you texting him on your trap phone. I don't even got a trap phone, girl. Ow, look what you did to my freaking knee. My leg.
That's not a knee.
Oh, shit. It's the body part, right? Yep.
But your knee's up there.
I don't care. Your knee is right there.
No, this Sherlock. Bit.
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 Thank you very much, Honey Boo Boo Cha.
Boo Boo Cha, you did not run me.
So you don't run me.
And you don't run me.
Honey Boo Boo Cha.
Whatever.
Like, whatevs.
All them birds fighting out there. Or you're just making babies. Fighting out there and then it just came straight for us. In the video, show her.